Today I'm going to teach you how to add a language switch option on Wix. This is incredibly useful if you're running a multilingual website and want to give your visitors the ability to switch between different languages seamlessly. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. When you click this, a drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to various site management options. This is where you'll begin the process of adding that language switch feature to your website. From this drop-down menu, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to add a language switch option to. It's always a good idea to double-check, especially if you're managing multiple sites under one Wix account. Confirming this now will save you time and ensure you're working on the correct project. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this button on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the editing tools where you can customize and enhance your website's appearance and functionality. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is the main workspace where all the design magic happens. From here, locate the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This button opens up a world of customization options, allowing you to add various features and elements to your site. Clicking it is essential for accessing the language menu component we need. The Add Elements panel will expand and you'll see a comprehensive list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. Scroll through this list and locate the menu and anchor element, then click on it. Under the menu section, you'll see an option labeled Language Menus. Here, Wix offers 3 different types of language switch menu designs. Browse through these options and choose the one that best suits your website's design aesthetic. Once you've made your choice, simply drag it onto your website canvas and position it wherever you'd like it to appear. And that's it. You've successfully added a language switch option to your Wix website, making it easier for your international visitors to navigate your content in their preferred language. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.